Here was Ben Roethlisberger after the loss to the Ravens. He was asked about starting slow every game this year.
Nope. Just got to play better.
Just got to play better. Did you hear the background, though?
What was that?
Nope. Just got to play better.
Is that a gigantic fart or somebody blowing their nose? This is our Steelers coverage today after the Steelers lose to the Ravens and are in last place after a quarter of the season in the AFC North.
Nope. Just got to play better.
What do you think? I mean, that's Ben saying, nope about the slow starts, just got to play better.
Nope. Just got to play better.
Is that a gigantic bellowing fart from a large man probably, or is it somebody blowing their nose?
Nope. Just got to play better. Nope. Just got to play better.
I don't know. I don't know.
Nope. Just got to play better. Nope. Just got to play better.
If you had to guess, Bob, what do you think? Gigantic fart or is that somebody blowing their nose?
Nope. Just got to play better.
Whew.
Nope. Just got to play better.
It's tough, right?
Just got to play better.
I really want it to be fart.
Okay.
Nope. Just got to play better.
It could be either, though.
And if I wish it, it'll happen.
I do know it's Ben saying no about the slow starts and just got to play better, but then I do not know if that is a fart or a blowing of the nose.
Nope. Just got to play better. Nope. Just got to play better.
This has been your Steelers coverage
There's
here.
an echo on it, too.
It's loud.
Nope. Just got to play better. Nope. Just got to play better.
It definitely, the locker room walls are definitely helping that thing echo.
Nope. Just got to play better.
Whether it is a fart or somebody blowing their nose.